Finding the best camping electric kettle can feel tricky when power, space, and safety all matter on the road. The best camping electric kettle is one that boils fast, packs small, and works well with RV outlets, campground hookups, or a simple generator. I've used electric kettles on US road trips and RV parks, and the right one makes mornings calm and easy. After testing and comparing many styles, I know what actually works in real camping setups. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. WTJMOV 0.6-liter small electric tea kettle. The WTJMOV 0.6-liter small electric tea kettle feels perfect for simple daily use or travel. I like how the double wall body stays cool while boiling. It feels safe in tight spaces. The fast boil speed is great for quick tea or coffee breaks. It heats water in about 5 minutes. The size works well for one person or a couple. The stainless steel interior keeps flavors clean. Cleaning is easy with the separate lid. The downside is capacity. It is not for groups. Still, for dorms, hotels, or RV with power, it feels light, reliable, and very easy to live with. Number 4. HYTRIC Travel Electric Kettle. The HYTRIC Travel Electric Kettle feels made for people who travel often but still want comfort. I liked how the foldable design saves space in a backpack or suitcase. It folds down small and feels easy to carry. The Keep Warm mode is useful when I want hot water ready without reboiling. The control panel is simple and clear. It shows time and temperature in a friendly way. Boiling takes about 5 minutes, which feels fair for a travel kettle. The BPA-free silicone and steel interior feels safe for daily use. Cleaning is easy thanks to the wide opening. The downside is the 600W power. It is not the fastest. Still, for travel, dorms, or RV use, it feels smart, safe, and practical. Number 3. Stoke Voltaics Electric Kettle. The Stoke Voltaics electric kettle feels built for people who value design and control. I noticed how fast it heats with the 500W fast boil, which saves time on busy mornings or campsite breaks. The compact shape fits small counters, RV shelves, and travel bags with ease. I also like the preset temp control, which helps when brewing tea or coffee that needs care. The stainless steel interior feels solid and clean. Auto shutoff adds peace of mind when multitasking. It works well for tea, noodles, or quick meals. The main downside is the price. It costs more than basic travel kettles. Still, for style, safety, and control, it feels premium and reliable. Number 2. Elite Gourmet Dual Voltage Travel Electric Kettle. The Elite Gourmet Dual Voltage Travel Electric Kettle is a smart choice for campers, RV users, and hotel stays. I like how the cool touch body stays safe to grab, even right after boiling. It feels reassuring in tight spaces. The dual voltage switch makes it easy to use across the US or overseas trips. Water heats fast with one button, and the auto shutoff adds peace of mind. The stainless steel inside feels clean and durable. The 0.6-liter size is perfect for 1 or 2 cups. The only drawback is capacity. It's not made for groups, but it's great for solo travel. Number 1. T-magitic Travel Foldable Electric Kettle. The T-magitic Travel Foldable Electric Kettle is made for campers and travelers who need hot water with minimal bulk. I like how the foldable body packs flat and slips into a backpack or RV drawer. It feels light, yet sturdy enough for daily use. The one-button boil is simple and fast, which helps on tired mornings. The dual voltage use is great for US trips and international travel as long as you set it right. Water heats in minutes and stays warm. The main downside is the 600ml size. It's best for solo campers, not groups. Final verdict. If you want a travel kettle that feels versatile, compact, and truly practical, I personally recommend the T-magitic Travel Foldable Electric Kettle as the best overall product. Its foldable design and dual voltage make it ideal for trips, hotels, or even RV kitchens. It packs small, works fast, and brings hot water with minimal hassle. For a specific need, especially if you want a budget-friendly and straightforward option, the Elite Gourmet Dual Voltage Travel Electric Kettle is a smart choice. It's simple to use, safe with auto shutoff, and perfect for daily travel or small spaces without breaking the bank. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the camping kettle that fits your style and need best.